it's been an overnight celebrations that has been taking place. And of course, we have a very big reason to do that because India has now become the first team to win the Men's T20 World Cup on home soil and the first to successfully defend the title. They moved ahead of England in 2010, 2022 and West Indies in 2012, 2016 and to become the only side with 3 Men's T20 World Cup crowns, 2007, 2024 and now 2026. Let's introduce our guests and also our reporters joining us on the ground because we'll be getting a sense and a feel exactly when it seems to the people there where have this, slept at all. It's a bright Monday morning that we're looking at. Good morning, Rucha. Good morning to you, Neha. Good morning to you, Adeep. And we also have Nikhil Sharma joining us and Joseph Hoover as well. Good morning to you, gentlemen. Well, let me just first get in a word from Rucha now. Rucha, the noise was deafening. There was a sea of blue, relentless, and this time India refused to let history haunt them again, especially from the place that they were playing the final.
Well, definitely this is one of the very good morning for not just all Indians but all those cricket lovers because the performance that Team India has given, Men in Blue never failed to make us proud, and yesterday what we saw was incredible. And to talk more about it, we have some cricket fans of Shivaji Park who are also currently practicing. क्या बताओगे कल की मैच में सबसे थ्रिलिंग पॉइंट कौन सा लगा जब बहुत ज्यादा टेंशन हुआ था कि पूरा परफॉर्मेंस टूर्नामेंट का इतना बढ़िया रहा और कल फाइनल में क्या ऐसा आपको थ्रिलिंग पॉइंट लगा?
थ्रिलिंग पॉइंट जैसे कि जसप्रीत बुमराह ने एक ओवर में जो विकेट निकाला, 3 विकेट आई थिंक, मैं पूरा कल मैच देख नहीं पाया, तो वो थ्रिलिंग मोमेंट था इंडिया के लिए। और जसप्रीत बुमराह ने बहुत अच्छी बॉलिंग की और विकेट निकाला 3 और यहाँ से थ्रिलिंग पॉइंट और इंटरेस्टेड हो गया गेम।
क्या बताओगे आप पूरे मैच के बारे में? कल के कितने बढ़िया परफॉर्मेंसेस रहे फ्रॉम अभिषेक शर्मा टू ईशान किशन?
अपना तो बैटिंग लाइनअप शुरू में ही अच्छा था, टॉप ऑर्डर का कोई जवाब नहीं था उसमें। जो शुरू में जो रन बनाए बहुत अच्छा बनाया उन्होंने और बीच में थोड़ा टीम लड़खड़ा रही, लेकिन अपना शिवम दुबे ने जो पारी को संभाला वो बहुत अच्छा था और टारगेट इतना बड़ा था वो कि सब
बैटिंग तो डेफिनेटली हमारी अच्छी थी, लेकिन सबसे ज्यादा अप्रिशिएट तो हमें फील्डिंग को करना चाहिए।
हाँ, फील्डिंग में तो सबसे ज्यादा तो सेमीफाइनल में बहुत अच्छा दिखा मेरे को कि अक्षर पटेल ने जो फील्डिंग किया है, वो 3 कैच पकड़े, बहुत मुश्किल थे कैच जो उन्होंने फील्डिंग में दिखाया, वो अच्छा था मेरे लिए।
पहली बार हम हमारे होम ग्राउंड पे चैंपियंस बने हैं और तीसरी बार हमने ये कप जीता है, क्या लग रहा है?
अच्छा है था कि घर पे एक कप जीतना तो सब जो कंट्री रहती है उनके लिए बहुत प्राउड मोमेंट रहता है एक तो, और ऊपर से नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम जो कि मतलब इंडिया का नहीं तो वर्ल्ड का सबसे बिगेस्ट स्टेडियम है, तो काफ़ी अच्छा था ताकि वो भी T20 वर्ल्ड कप फाइनल वो हम घर पे ही जीते, वो अच्छा था।
Definitely, the Indians were very lucky to witness the historic win of Men in Blue, and
yes.
This is the celebrations continue to the next day also because the energy that we are seeing among all the cricket fans is just telling us that how happy and how proud the Indians are.
Absolutely, no doubt in that, because for the Black Caps, who had swept aside that unbeaten South Africa in the semi-final, the final step, however, once again proved to be the hardest for them. They had come so close to the summit yet again, but were almost there. Let's talk about the man of the moment, Abhishek Sharma, who saved his best performance for the final. Celebrations also taking place at his residence. Let's listen in.
Abhishek Sharma is now a World Cup winning player and joining us at this moment is a very, very proud father. Sir, सही बोल रही हूँ?
मैं आप लोगों ने जो आपका प्यार बोल रहा है, थैंक यू सो नाइस। आज मैं सबको मुबारकबाद देता हूँ कि आज हिंदुस्तान ने वर्ल्ड कप जीता है, बहुत खुशी का दिन है और सबको बहुत बहुत मुबारक।
सर, अभिषेक से आपने बात की होगी, क्या उसका फर्स्ट रिएक्शन था? क्या उसको बिलीव हो पा रहा है कि वर्ल्ड कप जीत चुके हैं? क्योंकि बहुत मायने रखता है पहला वर्ल्ड कप जीतना और दूसरा अपने ही देश में जीतना।
ये एक्चुअली क्या है, ये उसका बचपन का ही ख्वाब था कि मैं पहले अंडर 19 वर्ल्ड कप खेला था, उस टाइम भी जीते थे, तो मेरे को घर पे आके बोलता था कि पापा ये मैं सीनियर कभी वर्ल्ड कप खेला तो मैं इंडिया को दूर जिताऊंगा। वो उसका आज ख्वाब पूरा हुआ है, बड़ी खुशी की बात है। इसने कागज पे लिख के रखा था घर पे कि मैं सीनियर वर्ल्ड कप खेलूंगा, तो वो आज दिन पूरा हुआ।
कब लिखा था सर उसने?
अंडर 19 वर्ल्ड कप
अच्छा।
में उस टाइम लिखा था, और बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि आज उसका भी ख्वाब पूरा हुआ, हमारा भी। हमारे लिए तो आज का दिन बहुत खुशी का दिन है कि आज हिंदुस्तान ने दूसरी बार वर्ल्ड कप जीता। ये हिंदुस्तान के लिए बहुत बड़ी बात है। मैं सभी लोग
सर T20 वर्ल्ड कप तो हमारा तीसरा हो गया।
हाँ, तीसरा नहीं, कंटिन्यू 2 तो जीत लिए
कंसेक्यूटिवली।
ये तो बहुत ऊपर की बात है। ये एक्चुअली क्या है, ये इतनी अच्छी टीम है, ये किसी की वर्ल्ड की किसी टीम को नहीं छोड़ा इन्होंने
जी,
और ये आगे भी ऐसे चलते जाएंगे।
तो सर टीम के लिए क्या कहेंगे? कैप्टन जो है सूर्य कुमार यादव, कोच हो गए गौतम गंभीर, जो इनकी जोड़ी है और जिस तरीके से इन्होंने टीम बनाई है और टीम को एक साथ रखा है, उस बारे में क्या कहेंगे?
एक्चुअली क्या है, ये बहुत ही, देखो जी, पहले तो कोच गौतम गंभीर जी को बहुत बहुत मुबारक। उन्होंने इतनी अच्छी टीम चुनी है। वो खुद इतने बड़े प्लेयर थे, इतने उन्होंने इंडिया के मैच जिताए हैं। उनका एक्सपीरियंस इतना है कि प्लेयरों को बहुत बेनिफिट मिला। और ऐसे कोचेज जब टीम के साथ जुड़ते हैं तो वाकई टीम का वो नतीजा आपको नज़र आ गया कि वर्ल्ड कप जीत गए हैं। ये वो आप बहुत अच्छे प्लेयर थे। मैं तो उनकी इनिंगें देखी हुई हैं। वो हिंदुस्तान के लिए खेलते थे, वो अपने लिए नहीं खेलते थे।
उन्होंने ये कहा भी आज कि माइलस्टोन्स मत सेलिब्रेट करो, ट्रॉफी सेलिब्रेट करो।
वो यही है, वो हमेशा देश के लिए करते हैं, देश को ही आगे रखते हैं। ये उनकी बहुत बड़ी बात है। और सूर्य कुमार यादव तो ग्रेट हैं, वो इतने अच्छे कैप्टन हैं। उन्होंने इतनी अच्छी टीम बना के रखी है। सभी प्लेयरों के साथ ऐसे प्यार से रहते हैं जैसे भाइयों की तरह रहते हैं सबको। और ऐसे कैप्टन कम मिलते हैं जो सब टीम को एक साथ रखते हैं और उनको उनकी प्रॉब्लम हो सब कुछ हो हल करते हैं। और अभिषेक को बहुत बैक किया कि उन्होंने बहुत उसको कॉन्फिडेंस दिया। ये बहुत खुशी की बात है कि उन्होंने सभी टीम वालों ने उसको बैक किया, अभिषेक को। ये थैंक्स सभी टीम को।
सर थैंक यू हमसे बात करने के लिए। एंड उम्मीद यही करते हैं कि ये जो सेलिब्रेशन है ये कंटिन्यू रहे अभिषेक के साथ और पूरी टीम के लिए।
थैंक यू।
Well, as I said, celebrations have been continuing non-stop. Haven't there been, Adib, this morning as well? Because when we speak of Abhishek Sharma, he reached his individual 15-18 balls. However, he fell for 52 from 21 balls. But this was the best performance that he had saved for the finals, it seems.
Well, indeed, Amita, this was the best performance of Abhishek Sharma, which he saved for the finals. And in fact, that resulted in the opening lineup, resulted in the historic win for India. We are joined by some fans. कितनी शानदार जीत थी कल इंडिया की वर्ल्ड कप के फाइनल में ये?
I think it was one of the most dominating wins for India. Because right from the start, when India lost the toss and they were opted to bat, then the first 3 batsmen sealed it for India. मतलब पहले के जो 3 बल्लेबाज थे, they had dominated so much that New Zealand were out of the game. Abhishek Sharma, who was not able to play in the first few games, he came back in form, and I think he made 51 out of 18 balls. And then the in-form persons, Sanju Samson and Ishan Kishan, they finished the game. And I would like to mention one more player, Shivam Dube. He has been a consistent performer in the last few overs throughout the tournament. And he deserves the mention. And not to forget, Jasprit Bumrah, the best bowler in the world in any format. So, if it was not for Jasprit Bumrah, we would not have reached the final also.
And how was your expectation? Were you expecting the same from the Indian team and the way they have dealt with them during the match?
As my friend Dr. Apurv has said, same. डिट्टो सेम पूरा बिल्कुल जैसा था। इंडिया ने बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्म किया है और एज माय फ्रेंड हैज मेंशन्ड, जसप्रीत बुमराह इज द बेस्ट बॉलर इन द वर्ल्ड एंड आई टोटली अप्रिशिएटेड विद हिज बॉलिंग। एंड और जो उसने ऐसे क्रूशियल पॉइंट्स पे उन्होंने विकेट्स लिए है वो आउटस्टैंडिंग थे।
संजू सैमसन के मैन ऑफ द टूर्नामेंट रहे, कितना अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस रहा, ना सिर्फ कल के मैच में बल्कि पूरे टूर्नामेंट में सेटिस्फाइंग एक मैच आपके लगता है उनका रहा?
बिल्कुल सेटिस्फाई था। उसने इतनी अच्छी इनिंग खेली है और जबकि शुरू के 2-3 मैचों में खिलाया नहीं गया, उसके बाद जब आया ये तो इसने पूरा अपना फॉर्म, पूरा जो ये जो होम टूर्नामेंट होते हैं उसको खेल के आया था। बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस किया। हम लोग तो बहुत वी आर प्राउड ऑफ इंडिया।
So Amita, see these are the kind of emotions that people have with the kind kind of victory that India has done, the men in blue, the history that they have created in Ahmedabad, Namita.
Absolutely. Please do stay on with us. Adeeb, Neha also joins us on the broadcast. But let me just take a quick question from Nikhil. Nikhil, one part of the world, and of course we are looking at 40 crore Indians there, 140 crore Indians who are celebrating. Because this is for the first time, we're looking at the T20 World Cup, history. Is it true that the top three batters in the team, each of them scored 50? When we speak of Sanju Samson, Abhishek Sharma, as well as Ishan Kishan, they have been smashing 50s.
No, Amita, it's always said that cricket is more than a religion in India. Yesterday, we proved it again. The euphoria all around the country is unparalleled at this point in time. I think some of the things that are very important are, firstly, I think it was, I must thank the Kiwis for putting us to bat in, because I was very surprised that they decided to bowl first. On that pitch, it gets progressively very slower. The moment they put India to bat, I thought it was 50% of battle won by India. I think Abhishek's father mentioned that the captains really backed each one of those players. If you really look at each one of them, whether it's Abhishek, whether it's Ishan Kishan, whether it's Sanju Samson, you look at the recent past and they've all had problems in terms of getting their form in. But I think just the backing by the team management has ensured that, Abhishek finally got a big 50 in a big match. Sanju Samson, my God, the way he's come back in this tournament. And Ishan Kishan, he was out in the cold for almost 2 years, and then a performance at SMAT. And he's mentioned Surya Kumar Yadav calling him up and saying, would you want to come and help India win the tournament? So as far as those three are concerned, kudos to Gautam Gambhir and Surya Kumar Yadav for trusting in them. And when you have that kind of confidence coming into a World Cup final, when you've backed, there were people calling for Varun Chakravarti to be not included. The highest wicket taker in the World Cup, this World Cup, along with Jasprit Bumrah. How can you not play him? So great work by the team management. And I think what Abhishek's father was mentioning, that to look after the team in the fashion that the coach and the captain have, no wonder India's gone on and performed so admirably well. And, it's euphoria all around.
Absolutely.
Amita?
And I can't forget, there are several pictures that have been, going on social media because it's continuously buzzing in. You click on each and every, person's story on Instagram, you will see that everyone was hooked to their television sets last evening. So right there, Dhoni as the captain when India won, then Rohit Sharma as the captain when India won in 2024, and now Surya Kumar Yadav, all three of them in the same picture. But Neha, Indians didn't give Kiwis a chance because this was chasing like a Himalayan target. New Zealand never quite recovered from the early damage.
Well, Amita, that's right. And who better than young cricketing talent here to speak to us about yesterday's match. Tell me, आपने कल मैच देखा, कैसे था मैच?
अच्छा था.
Okay. Okay. You tell me, all of you are young cricketers yourself today. How do you see Team India's victory yesterday?
It was a really nice match. Like, Sanju Samson scored 89, then Abhishek scored 52, and following them up, Ishan scored 54. It was an all-round really good match in which Bumrah also took his best spell in his T20 career. I like the match really good, and I feel inspired by the quality of cricket the Indian players did, and it was really nice. And I hope that everybody else liked the match as well.
Okay. I want to ask you, all of you are young cricketers yourself. Every time Team India goes on to break some records, every time Team India shows the world that we are the best in cricket, how does that make you feel?
It's very nice to have future cricketers here and get some tips from the players as well.
Okay.
It feels really nice to play here.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Coach, if I can just take one question from you, yesterday, would you agree that it was a full-on team effort that we saw, whether it was Sanju Samson, whether Akshar Patel, whether some of those, brilliant wickets that we saw by Bumrah, would you agree that, Team India has, in fact, proven that we are indeed the best again?
I can completely agree with you. It's a completely team dominance performance by India yesterday. So New Zealand actually made a technical error. Actually, tactical error. Actually, it's a very good team when it's come to tactical side. But yesterday it was not their day. But India is completely dominant.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. Well, of course, there you have it. Young cricketing talent here in Bengaluru saying that Team India is going on to inspire them to become better cricketers.
Oh, what knows? What may happen in the future. Maybe we are speaking to these budding cricketers who may once be a part of the team Men in Blue one day. Who knows? Because in a country that has produced over 260 Indian cricket captains, let's talk about Surya Kumar because he's the fourth one to have led India to a World Cup triumph. Surya Kumar, when he was speaking yesterday in the post-match speech, he says he couldn't believe and it hasn't sunk in because he is now in the esteemed company of some of the Indian top cricket legends, including Rohit Sharma, MS Dhoni and Team India skipper Sky. He's been offering prayers at the Hanuman Mandir now in Ahmedabad after winning this triumph over New Zealand in the ICC T20 World Cup victory.
Everyone is happy after winning the tournament. That's what we wanted. Everyone is happy after winning the tournament. That's what we wanted.
All right. Family is celebrating. Joseph, were you celebrating too? And what is, your understanding of India's victory? And do you also believe that the jinx has now been broken?
Yeah, I would want to say hats off to, as Nikhil was mentioning earlier, hats off to the team management. Because we had two players who were struggling, Abhishek Sharma and Varun Chakravarti. You watched Varun Chakravarti in the last few games, he was crestfallen. Despite that, they backed them. That shows the fearlessness of this team. They played a brand of cricket which no other team has ever done in the history of international cricket. They were fearless from the word go. Invited to bat, they just came and annihilated the Kiwi bowlers. So that was showing the kind of confidence they have and the kind of unity in the team. You remember one incident when Hardik Pandya addresses the team players in the huddle. He says, each one is going to play for the country, not for himself. So that reflected in this performance. They played fearless cricket and just about smashed every team in the World Cup. And very deservingly, if we are all enjoying this euphoria, as everyone should be proud of the performance, we should also say our cup of joy is overflowing. So is the pedestal in the BCCI office, because the cups it's raining cups. We won the Under-19 World Cup, we won the Asia Cup, we won the Champions Trophy, we won the Women's World Cup.
We hope that trophy also comes rightfully to Team India, where it belongs. But, when we speak of Surya Kumar Yadav, he's been a late bloomer who was handed captaincy over, at the age of 33, but he has joined the League of Legends now. Kapil Dev, MS Dhoni, Rohit Sharma, Harmanpreet Kaur as the only captains who've actually won World Cups for India. Nikhil and Joseph, thank you very much for joining us here on the broadcast. And before we end the show, well, it is not just Desi leaders and politicians and celebrities who are now celebrating and, India's triumph in the World Cup victory. But here is international pop star Ricky Martin himself, who is now totally lit up, especially when it comes to the closing ceremony of the T20 World Cup.